Hello guys, welcome to another video of this channel. So today we're going to be reviewing a certain application called Attapoll. Here you'll be paid to do a lot of things, right? Like answering different questions, giving your opinion on certain things and products, and also maybe downloading certain applications and also playing games as well. So you can actually get the app on App Store or on Google Play Store. So I did a little bit of research, of course, on this application to kind of get like the insights on what people are actually saying about Attapoll. And it has a 3.2 rating out of 3,145, which is not bad actually for any company really. And I'll say most of the reviews are kind of mixed, right? There are some that do have issues with the platform suspending their accounts, and that people are actually happy with the platform, right? Then they've worked on the platform and they've gotten paid, right? How it works. Now, this platform works like this, right? There are research companies out there that are actually looking for certain insights and certain products and stuff, and they usually approach platforms such as Attapoll, who basically run this kind of like marketing services, right? And then they present the products, and Attapoll, of course, it has like different users. So as a user, you fill out your profile, fill it to the brim, and basically give Attapoll some information about you and what you are into. Then whenever they have like, maybe a certain product or service that they need some insights from, you as a user, they will send you some sort of like a notification or a message, something like that, to come and actually complete that survey. Then after completing that survey, you get paid, right? And then you cash out when you reach a certain threshold that they need you to reach before you get your money. So that's basically how it works. And so Attapoll does have a fair amount of like a user base, and so you can actually hear about their stories on their website. You can just visit the website and actually hear some of their testimonials. Now, apart from just earning through surveys and probably maybe playing games, you can actually earn by inviting other users, right? They give you like a link which you can paste maybe social media links or blog or whatever, and when users click that link and they go to their platform or they download that application, you are able to earn from that, right? You earn 10% of that survey earnings for a lifetime. So this is another way to earn. So this app basically works in different countries, right? It works in over 70 countries. So in Europe, users can be from Austria, Great Britain, Netherlands, Greece, and in other places as well. In Asia, they support Hong Kong, Philippines, Singapore, Pakistan, Vietnam, Japan, India, Malaysia, Taiwan, South Korea, and also in South America, they support like Argentina, users from Costa Rica, Mexico, Panama, Brazil, and so forth. And in Africa, they accept users only from South Africa, Egypt, Morocco, Algeria. So in Africa, they don't support, I think, much of the countries, just a few. Now, for more information, you can actually study the FAQ, right? You can actually find questions, I'll say most frequently asked questions here that you might need to know about. Like, for example, how much do the surveys pay? So according to them, surveys on Attapoll pay different amounts based on their length and the type of people they're targeting. Some quick surveys take just a minute and offer fast rewards, while higher ones may ask for more specific information about a job or lifestyle. So before you begin, always see exactly how much you will earn. Once you reach the minimum payout threshold, you can cash out via PayPal or choose from a variety of gift cards that they have. So apart from gift cards, right, you can even donate your earnings to charity. So they allow you that option. Now, in terms of the minimum threshold that you need to reach before you cash out, they don't have any specific one, but it seems like it varies as per country. Like different countries do have specific withdrawal thresholds. And what are the types of surveys that you will be doing here? And they said Attapoll connects you to paid surveys from companies that want your opinion, from new tech and entertainment to shopping and lifestyle. So they kind of like cover different industries, right? You will help to shape products and get paid for your time. It's a simple way to earn money online through paid surveys, paid games, and also paid tasks. So these are the things that I mentioned earlier. And so again, guys, you can actually read more about this platform here and how they conduct themselves on the FAQs if you need to know more about it. So as I've mentioned before, the platform has a good rating with 71% of those being 5 stars. So there are people that do have kind of mixed perceptions about this platform. So you can actually read also some of these to kind of gain some more insights about the platform itself. Like for example, this one, and they've said, I'm on this site for years, always got paid. It took me off the site without any clear information. I often did service and did not get any money, but this was not a problem and should have not happened and all that stuff. So there are some that kind of have issues with the platform itself. And this one from Australia gave them like a 5-star review, and they said, I have recently used it and can say better than most survey apps. And disqualification rates and screen time are out of high, but if you're consistent throughout the service, they offer more and pay more and also tip to fast. So yeah, there's some that do have positive reviews. So guys, that's all about Attapoll. And again, thank you for watching this video, and until then, see you on the next one.